Strive for the big goal or enjoy the little wins along the way?
Wow. Siyempre, it's always the little wings along the way because at the end, it will be big and bigger goals.
Always be on the move or always be at home?
On the move, of course.
Get a very playful pet or puppy or cat or a chill pet, dog or cat?
Masarap yung makulit na pet eh. Kasi pag malungkot ka, pag stress ka, nawawala yung stress mo pag makulit eh. Yeah.
Be a boss or lead a team?
Lead the team. Because leading a team, you'll be a boss.
City or province?
Now, siyempre city. Pag tumanda na ako, province.
Small but successful business or big business with a lot of pressure?
I prefer pressure eh. So, I like challenges a lot. So, I'll take on the big business with a lot of pressure. Gusto kong atakin sa puso eh.
Rank them from 1 to 3. 1 being the best and your favorite. Pets, pew-pew, or cars?
Oh, siyempre, pets, pew-pew, and cars. Ang dami niya ng tanong eh. Kain na tayo, gutom na ako eh. Sige na, let's eat. Let's eat, mga kapips.